अच्छा देखें, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 87 कहता है, जेंटलमैन रिसेंटली आई बॉट ए बुक इन योर बुक डिपार्टमेंट। एज डिपार्टमेंट किस तरह लिखेंगे? देखें, ये डी, ये पार्ट और ये मेंट, ये पी का स्ट्रोक हमने हाफ किया है, यहाँ पर किया है, ये आर हुक है, और ये एम का स्ट्रोक हमने हाफ किया है किसके लिए? ये टी के लिए। डिपार्टमेंट किस तरह लिखेंगे? डिपार्टमेंट इस तरह लिखेंगे। अच्छा, एज ए गिफ्ट फॉर ए फ्रेंड of mine. Full stop. I found, however, when I gave it to him, that he already has a copy of this volume. Full stop. If you don't mind, I will return it and select a different book of equal value. Your truly. Full stop. अच्छा, फिर कहता है, gentlemen please supply us with 30 barrels of the same kind of Portland ये किस तरह है? देखें, ये पी है, पोर्टलैंड, ये पी स्ट्रोक फुल है, ये आर स्ट्रोक भी हमने हाफ किया है टी के लिए, और लैंड एल का स्ट्रोक भी हमने हाफ किया है किसके लिए? डी के लिए। तो पोर्टलैंड। अच्छा, पोर्टलैंड सीमेंट that you supplied to us on the 3rd of June at the usual trade terms. Full stop. We want this shipment delivery to run to our own pier number 92. Full stop. Yours very truly. Full stop. अच्छा, फिर कहता है, our magazine has been successful to an extent beyond our best hopes. Full stop. It is now in its 3rd year. Full stop. In the 2nd year, we more than doubled the number of readers, and now in its 3rd year, we hope to treble the number. Full stop. Every month it has been necessary to print more copies than the month before. Full stop. With the current issue, we have achieved a new high market. Full stop. You will note that the magazine is bigger and better than ever, and the number of readers is larger than ever. Full stop. अच्छा, फिर कहता है, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 88 क्या कहता है? देखे, the man who wished to imply, ये क्या है? Imply a safe driver asked each applicant how near he could drive a car to the edge of a cliff. Full stop. अच्छा, फिर कहता है, one said a feet, a second said 6 inches. Full stop. The third did not know. Full stop. He had not tried. Full stop. He got the job. Full stop. Gentlemen, you will see from the enclosed statement of your account that settlement is very much overdue. Full stop. When the shipment was sent to you, you told us that you would make payment within usual 30 days. In fact, you stated when we opened the account with you that you planned to take advantage of the cash discount generally allowed for payment within 10 days. Full stop. You have not observed the terms of your agreement, and we feel that we have observed better treatment. Full stop. We must point out that we cannot run a successful business unless the generally accepted rules regarding credit are observed. First stop. We want to treat you fairly, but we cannot extend the time for payment more than we have already. First off, we must ask you to accept the draft for the full amount due, which we have drawn on you through your bank today. Very truly yours. फर्स्ट ऑफ अच्छा एक्सरसाइज नंबर 89 तो यहाँ पर आते हैं, यहाँ पर एंड में आते हैं, यहाँ से पढ़ते हैं। अच्छा देखें, ये है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 89। कहता है जेंटलमैन प्लीज बी काइंड एनफ। काइंड एनफ तो किस तरह लिखेंगे? देखें काइंड एनफ, ये इस तरह लिखेंगे, काइंड एनफ इस तरह लिखेंगे। अच्छा, काइंड एनफ टू सप्लाई आइटम्स ऑन द अटैच्ड लिस्ट as soon as possible. Full stop. At the present moment, there is an active demand for them. Full stop. And we hope that we can count on having them within 3 days. Full stop. If you find that you cannot supply them within that time, please inform us. Please inform us. तो किस तरह लिखेंगे? देखें, ये प्लीज, ये inform और ये us. Please inform us by return. Full stop. Please note that the exact items specified are to be supplied. Full stop. If you are out of stock of any of the items, don't supply different articles. Full stop. Anything that is not exactly as specified will be returned. Yours truly. Full stop.